Let's talk about the benefit of barcode scanners in your warehouse. First, let's talk about why these guys are so awesome. Barcode scanners eliminate the need for manual data entry, which means fewer errors and a whole lot faster order processing. They can also help with real-time inventory tracking so that you know exactly where those products are and how much you have in stock. Altogether, this translates into smoother ordering, smoother picking and packing process, and ultimately, to just happier customers. There are two main types, handheld scanners or fixed scanners. Handheld scanners are great for general picking and put-away tasks, whereas fixed scanners are often affixed or mounted to a type of conveyor belt or line, where high-volume operations are essential and speed is key. Here's a couple things you should know to get started with barcode scanners. First, make sure you're investing in scanners that are compatible with your warehouse management solution. This ensures that there's seamless data integration and, most of all, can avoid a lot of the headaches early on. Second, train your staff on proper barcode technique and how to interpret that information that they're going to see on their screen. I'll add some links down below so that you know the best products for your business, barcode scanners, as well as some training links for your business and employees. Here's some pro tips that we recommend to maximize the benefit of barcode scanning. Ensure that your barcodes are always clean and undamaged for accurate scanning. Regularly update your inventory management software with any new product information or barcode information. Use barcode scanning for cycle counting to ensure accurate inventory. Think of it this way. By incorporating barcode scanners into your warehouse, you will be increasing your efficiency, productivity, and accuracy. What more could you ask for? So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your warehouse today. Thanks.